watching our cover of Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. If you want to show us some extra support like our friend Eric D, click the link in the description to join our Patreon.
Don't forget to follow us on Spotify where you can find this song and all of our other covers and originals.
Remember to check out our website, first211.com, for physical copies of all of our cover CDs, as well as t-shirts and hoodies.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment any songs you'd like to see us do down below.